Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let me tell you a story about a busy man. There was a man who worked in an office as an accountant. He had a lot of work to do every day. After he got off work, he didn't go home. Instead, he went to play tennis with his friends. He played tennis 3 times a week. After that, he went to the gym. He did that 4 times a week. He never skipped his workout. Then he went home. Usually his wife cooked his favorite food. Sometimes they watched TV together. They didn't have any children. They enjoyed their life. It was a good life. But one day, something strange happened. One evening, when he came home from the gym, he found a big suitcase in front of his door. It was very heavy. He opened it and saw a lot of old, dirty clothes inside. He took them out and threw them into the bathtub. Then he went out to find the person who left the suitcase. He asked his neighbors, but no one knew anything. Then he called the police. The man said, "I think someone is playing a joke on me." The police said, "If you don't want us to investigate this case, we can close this case now." "No, I want you to find out who did this," said the man. The next day, the man went to work and told his boss what happened. His boss said, "Don't worry. I'll ask the security to check the tape." After work, the man went home. He found a note under the door. It said, "You will never get rid of these clothes." He was scared, so he called the police again. But this time, he didn't tell them what the note said. He didn't want to waste their time. The next day, the man went to work again. When he got home, he found another note. It said, "These clothes are your new life now. You can't get away from them." He was very upset, couldn't understand why this was happening to him. He wanted to throw the clothes away, but they were all dirty. He didn't want to touch them. The next day, the man didn't go to work. He stayed at home and waited for something to happen. In the afternoon, there was a knock at the door. He opened it and found a woman standing outside. She said, "Are you Mr. Jones?" "Yes, I am." "Good then, can I come in?" She went in and sat down. She said, "Do you know why you received those clothes?" "No, I have no idea." The woman said, "I think you do. Don't you remember what you did 5 years ago? You hit my son with your car and killed him. His father and I were looking for you everywhere, but we couldn't find you. Then we heard you were living here, so we brought you these clothes to remind you of what you did." The man felt terrible. He remembered that day 5 years ago. He was driving home from work, and suddenly he saw a boy riding his bike in the middle of the road. He tried to avoid hitting him, but he couldn't. The man said, "I'm sorry. I didn't know it was your son. Otherwise, I would have called you right away. It doesn't matter now. Nothing can bring him back. We just want you to suffer for the rest of your life, because that's what your son is doing right now. He's suffering." The woman got up and left. The man was very upset. He thought about what the woman said. He thought about how he killed a boy and made a family suffer for the rest of their lives. He regretted what he did. One day, the man went to the supermarket. He bought some bread, and when he was paying for it, he saw a little girl. She was looking at a toy on the shelf, and the girl said, "Mom, can I buy this toy? Please, please, please." The mother said, "No, I'm sorry, but we can't afford it." The girl's face became sad. She looked at the man and said, "This nice uncle will buy it for me, right?" The man nodded. He bought the toy and gave it to the girl. She was very happy. Her mother said, "Thank you very much." The man said, "No, thank you. I think this will make her happier." Then he went home. He thought if he made one person happy, maybe it could make up for what he did 5 years ago. So he started doing good things every day. He helped people. He donated money to the hospital and to schools. He helped single mothers and people who were sick. Maybe he couldn't bring the dead boy back, but he could make the boy's parents feel better by helping other people. Friends, sometimes when you do bad things, you may think you can hide them. You think no one knows about them, but actually, your conscience will always remind you of them. If you want to live a happy life, always try to be kind and helpful. Don't do bad things to other people. And also, don't forget to forgive others and yourself. Well, our story for today is over. What did you think of it? Write your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like it. See you next time.